I'm Hannes Cistota. I live in Vienna and I work for the WUK, this beautiful place. And I'm doing the programming for the concerts, parties and all the other stuff. It's a squatted place since nearly 40 years now. It used to be an old factory, I think for locomotives. Then it was a school, and 1983 I think it was empty and a few people squatted the place. Then it became more like a dance theater. In the 90s a lot of bands showed up. It was like this big grunge thing, like Nirvana, Melvins all played there. White Stripes 2000, and then now we are here. It's, I think, one of the biggest social cultural centers in Europe. It's more than a concert hall. It's like two schools, primary school, secondary school, two kindergarten, some things for older people, rehearsal rooms. Sometimes if you go to concerts, it's mostly outside the cities. And the WUK is in the heart of Vienna. It's like the people can go by bike or walk there, and it is more like a meeting point. We counted it sometimes, it's like 1 year, 200,000 people visiting us. So it's a lot of people showing up there. The city, I think now it's a very good relationship. The city is very proud to have something like that. We are important for them, for the tourists, because a lot of people go there, visit concerts. In the next 4 years, we are renovating the whole building. It's a huge project, and the city is investing money that we can go on and on and on. The district is sometimes not so happy with us, because you can imagine sometimes it's loud. Because a lot of people show up at night, and if we have big parties or big concerts and people are chilling in the yard in the summertime, it's getting loud, and people are going there by bike and coming and talking outside the venue, smoking. We are talking to the neighbors, we invite them. It used to be not so good. Now we do have a good relationship with them, and I think the people know if you buy or if you rent a flat nearby, you know you're nearby a concert venue. It's a Verein, it's people are getting together on a board and deciding that, but it's autonomous. The school is autonomous, the concert, but all together we are the WUK, and we are talking to the government as one person. I think it's a hard work. You must involve all the people, talk to all the people and bring them all on board. If someone is against you, I think it's not possible to have a building huge like that. And I think you have to be very, very open-minded and talk a lot.